So we have our thick poly sides. You throw that on your bike and you see how that sits so well on this. And then it will sit down. You can see how it's going to sit without the stiff sides in it. You just got to mold it to your seat. So it's quite warm here in front of me right now. So I could probably just push that over. And then it will just sit on your seat so well. Yeah, look at that. That's great. So you do that. You just mold your sides. I've got a bit of warmth here. It's actually quite warm, this plastic. Very warm. I'll just roll that. See that nice bit of curve in it? And that will then sit down on my seat. So there you go. That is set up. And then what I would do, now I've got my Rackless base ready, I've left one of my straps on here. Rookie error. So we'll get rid of that. So there we go. I have no bag straps on it. I've molded my sides. I've had them out and I've pushed them back in. So that's going to fit well. I'll do a little bit of a tester on where it's going to sit. So I'll just lock in the back there. I'll just do a little bit of a test where it's going to sit. So I'll just lock the front in here. Lock that in. Now I've still got my strap set up from when I had my Strzelecki system on here. Alright, so I'm on there. That's my center spot already. Already got it. There. I'll come down this side. I'll come around my foot peg mount. And now it's starting to take shape. I can see it's going to fit. We'll just cinch it in. Yeah, nice. Pull it back. Make sure that's even. That's even. Lock this down. Once you do this once, guys, you're set up. Once you know what you're doing, it's really, really easy. So there you go. I've molded my sides in. That's sitting really well. You know, there's room to make it tighter, and obviously, and also once you ride it for the first time, everything does come in a bit further and tighter and everything. These here are my roll bag straps, my roll bag attachment points. I'm not using them at the moment. I'll just tuck them out of the way. These here are the fuel bladder attachment points. We have some we have some straps coming that you'll be able to use to tie down fuel bladders and stuff like that.